Today we're gonna be making, oh, there's a fly right in the middle of the shot. Hi, I'm Bill from Lunchbox Dad, and I'm ready to do another activity with you right here at Arm & Hammer Summer Camp. We've done all the planning, so all you have to do is kick back and camp. Today, we're gonna be making rainbow banana bread. Here is what you're gonna need to grab. The first step is always to preheat your oven, so preheat it to 350 degrees. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients together. We have flour, sugar, light brown sugar, salt, and of course our Arm & Hammer baking soda. In a separate bowl, we're gonna start by beating these eggs till they're light. Now I'm gonna add the vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and sour cream. And finally, the bananas. So whether you're watching your kids prep or helping your kids prep, this part is one that they're gonna love, because what kid doesn't love mashing bananas? Time to mix in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. We like to sift it, but if you don't have a sifter, that's fine. It's just about getting that batter as smooth as possible. This isn't just banana bread, this is rainbow banana bread. So we're gonna divide the batter into 4 different bowls with 4 different colors. I like to use red, blue, yellow, and green, but your kids can use whatever colors they want. Make sure to use a separate spoon for each bowl of colors so that the colors don't mix together and make weird ones that you're not intending it to. Our batter is divided and colored. Now it's time to go grab the pan, spray it with nonstick cooking spray, and spoon that batter in. So the trick here is to only use half your batter at one time. Your kids can put it in whatever order they want and put it in whatever part of the pan that they want. The important thing is to have fun with color. Don't forget to spray your loaf pan. You're gonna be sorry if you don't. It's time to top it with sprinkles, but don't forget, your kids can put sprinkles in between all the layers of batter too if they want. It's up to them. Last step is to put your rainbow banana bread in the oven. The rainbow banana bread's gonna be in the oven for at least 45 minutes, so take the time to share some of your childhood baking stories with your kids. Now that we've cooled our rainbow banana bread on a wire rack, we have it here on the cutting board, and it's time to reveal the color. I had so much fun with you today. I can't wait to bake with you again soon. Mom and Dad, remember to grab a piece of this warm banana bread now, because your kids are gonna devour it by the end of the day.